You are wanted out of the state of Nevada, specifically Clark County, for a robbery. And you are asking me to set you a bond. Is this right? Okay. I don't know anything about you. I'm now getting to know you for the first time, so I don't know. My primary concern is, are you a dangerous person? Because, I have so much drama in my life right now. It's ridiculous. I just don't need any more. And what I don't want to do is release you if you are a danger to my public, because I cherish that, right? I don't need any more. So we're going to find out a little bit about you, and then we'll see where we go from there. Amy, let's get to know Mr. Jefferson.
Yes, so he's wanted from Clark County, Nevada for conspiracy to commit robbery, and theft value over 100,000 or greater. The state's opposed to a bond at this time. He, as the court knows, he's being held. He's not being held. He's made bond also on robbery threats in the 228th and reckless driving.
He has another robbery here?
Yes.
That's local?
Yes, it's a robbery threats in the 228th. It is open. He's made bond on that.
Okay.
So you got a robbery there. You pick up a robbery here too. It's a robbery.
This warrant was also issued December 18th, very recently.
When was bond posted, if you don't mind on that?
Yeah.
He's actually he's on bond. He's on bond for reckless driving.
Okay.
Picks up a robbery here in September. So I guess he's on bond for a robbery here, and now he's picked up another robbery in Nevada.
I thought the robberies in Nevada were old.
Oh, she said they were just issued 12/18.
He made the bond for the robbery threats on September of this year. That case was filed also September of this year. And then this new warrant was issued this December. His reckless driving was...
What court is that out of?
That was the 28th.
No, the reckless driving.
Oh, this one's out of court 10.
What's the court date on that?
That is
January
on January 30th.
He has a general order bond on that?
Yeah, he's made bond on that one. He also has made bond on the robbery.
He's made court, has he made, my question is, if he's made his court appearances, Your Honor, I mean, I think he's proven that he should go on to court, showing up to court. So if you did consider bonds, he could then, don't worry about the reckless driving.
The state also wanted to add that he was just barely out of parole from earlier this year.
He was what?
Barely out of parole from earlier this year, as they have.
What was he on parole for?
I don't know exactly.
Mr. Jefferson, I got to be frank. You scare me, man. You continue to pick up cases, and they're serious cases, right? Second-degree felony. I don't know, maybe this is third degree, but nevertheless, you have a robbery here, you pick up a robbery over there. That scares me. If I let you out, are we going to get a third one? I don't want that to happen. I know you're telling me no, but history tells me otherwise. All the open cases tell me otherwise. Now, I do have some good news for you. The good news is that you've made bond on these two cases here, so there's no holding pattern, meaning that Nevada has 14 days to come get you, and if they don't come get you, then Harris County releases you. So you have that going for you now, but I just don't feel comfortable giving you a bond. You scare me, man. The last thing I want is a third robbery. Do you understand? You got to understand from my perspective, I don't know you. You're telling me all these gumdrops and rainbows and bunnies jumping in the woods, but you've got all these 3 open cases. They're serious. Sorry, I can't. I mean, just.
Okay, he signed on Monday, Judge. So I guess.
So
can we reset it to what is that? The 8th?
Case, right? Monday. So 1, 2, 3 days have passed. So you got another 12 days, give or take.
So can I get a reset for the 8th? Is that correct? If I'm counting it.
The 7th.
The 7th, even better. Okay.
Yeah. So you said the 23rd.
He signed on Monday, the 23rd, is my understanding. So I think the 7th.
Yes, the 7th.
So if they don't come get you on the 7th, you'll be released in Harris County.
So they have until the 6th to come get you. Okay. If they don't come get you by the 6th, then on the 7th, you'll be released. But you got to understand, even if we release you, that warrant will eternally remain open. And you could get picked up again the minute you walk out of custody. If you do get out, I would immediately go back to Nevada, take care of that. Otherwise, at some point, you're just going to get picked up again, and it's going to continue to happen.
You can hire an attorney.
And the other thing is that, right, when you do go up there, you got to let your attorney here know what the plans are so that you don't get revoked upstairs here, because then you're going to be in the exact same situation over there like how you are here. You understand? So if you go over there to Nevada and try to handle things and they put you in custody and no one knows about it here in Harris County, you have not advised your lawyer, they may think that you've just jumped ship and they might revoke the bond here, and then they'll place a hold here in Harris County because you're in Nevada. And if nobody knows, you know what I mean? So you got to let your lawyer know here.
You're a misdemeanor lawyer on your record. Do you have a lawyer for both of them, or were you appointed lawyer? Okay, so you need to tell your lawyer that if they don't pick you, you need to contact him and let him know you're in custody.
He has a lawyer in the felony, so let your lawyer know in the felony case.
Let him know, and if they don't pick you up, you need to hire someone in Nevada, try to get you